determined there's enough evidence for a man to stand trial after police say he shot another man point blank in the head during a robbery at a convenience store in Scranton.
But to get to that decision, the judge and the victim's family had to endure brutal surveillance video showing the murder. Newswatch 16's Joe Kohut was in the courtroom when prosecutors rolled the tape. Joe.
Yes, Scott and Lisa, the loved ones of Jose Tatis had the option of leaving the room before the videos of his killing played in court, but most opted to stay. Afterward, they told me that they chose to do so because they were the last moments Tatis was alive and well. Jose Tatis' family decided not to speak on camera. It'd been a taxing day for them in court. After an hour of testimony, District Magistrate Kip Badcock found enough evidence exists against Shelton Miles to warrant a trial on accusations he shot and killed Tatis on March 7th at a convenience store on North Main Avenue in Scranton. Then, authorities say he shot and wounded the clerk behind the counter and ransacked the cash register. Prosecutors presented more than a dozen crime scene photos and called law enforcement officers to the stand who testified to tracking down Miles as the suspect. After some warning, they also played 3 disturbing surveillance video clips that captured the moments Tatis was shot. As the victim's family watched, one couldn't help but gasp. More began to cry. District Attorney Mark Powell told Newswatch 16 his office will seek justice for Tatis' family.
It's a tragic, very, very violent case. We're pleased that the magistrate bound all charges over, and we will be prepared to prosecute this case at trial.
Miles didn't show up in court for his preliminary hearing, and it was held in his absence. As the day started, the judge noted that Miles wrote a letter explaining that he refuses to participate or attend, and the sheriff's deputies reported to the court that Miles wouldn't leave his cell. Miles was reportedly told by his attorney that the hearing would go on with or without him. Joe Kohut, Newswatch 16.